Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your account banner in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our posts, but from here we have to swipe to the right, then tap on profile. Here in the top right corner we tap on edit profile, and in edit profile on the top we find our banner, and if we tap on the little camera icon, we have three options: either to take a photo and set that as the new header, or we can choose an existing photo from our gallery, and we can just remove the header as it is. Let's say we want to choose another one. It opens up our camera roll from where we can select some pictures, select one picture actually, and then set that as the banner. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.